Vulcan, the eco-friendly anti-scale system. Made in Germany. Hello, today I would like to show you how to install the Vulcan anti-scale system in your private home. But what is Vulcan actually? Vulcan is an eco-friendly anti-scale system that prevents limescale problems in your household and also reduces existing limescale deposits in your entire piping system in your house. The Vulcan impulse technology does not need salt or chemicals and sustainably protects the environment. But the best thing about Vulcan is that you can easily install it by yourself. Since you don't have to open or cut your pipe, you don't need a plumbing specialist to install it. Vulcan is also suitable for all pipe materials, such as iron, copper, plastic, or also compound pipes. Once installed on your main water line, Vulcan operates completely maintenance-free and has a power consumption of only 3 to 5 euro per year. As a quality product made in Germany, Vulcan is designed for many years of use in all environments, and therefore we offer a 25-year international warranty. Well, now let's have a look inside the box. Here you will find the high-quality manufactured electronic unit and the installation kit. In order to install Vulcan, you don't need any additional tools. Everything you need is already included in the installation kit. Here we have the complete content of the Vulcan box: the Vulcan electronic unit, the Vulcan impulse bands, the power supply, the installation manual and the warranty booklet, and the cable ties. Now let's move on to the actual installation of the product. In order to achieve the best result, Vulcan is installed on your main water line, usually right after the water meter. This way, the entire piping system in your home will be treated with Vulcan. If you have enough free space on your pipe, install the electronic unit in the middle and the impulse bands to the left and right of it. We will show further installation options later on in this video. We first start with the electronic unit. Place it on the pipe and fix the unit with cable ties. Now install the impulse bands. First, insert the red plug into the unit. Then, fix the first loop of the impulse band with a cable tie. Now you can wrap the impulse band around the pipe. Wrap the impulse band at an angle and make sure that the impulse band is tight around the pipe. You can now fix the black end piece with another cable tie. Now you can repeat this step on the other side. Now you can plug in the power supply. Please make sure that you insert the plug into the Vulcan unit first, and then connect the power supply to a power outlet. The green function LED now illuminates, and the red impulse LEDs will blink at various intervals, which indicates that the impulses are being generated correctly and Vulcan is working correctly. As mentioned earlier, I will now show you other possibilities to install Vulcan. If there is a filter in place, please install Vulcan after the filter, if possible. To save space, you can also place the electronic unit on top of the impulse bands. Please make sure that there is at least a thumb-wide space between the impulse bands. If you have separate pipes for cold water, hot water, or garden water, you can install Vulcan at the branch pipes, as shown here. The Vulcan impulse field does not only work where the bands are, but also to the left and right of them. If you don't have enough space to wrap the entire length of the impulse bands on the pipe, you can wrap the rest of the bands around the last loop. You can also let the bands hang down or wrap the rest on or after pipe fittings. Please don't wrap the bands on top of each other, as this could reduce the Vulcan effect. If you have further questions about the Vulcan installation, contact a local Vulcan distributor. For more information about the Vulcan anti-scale system and customer references, please visit our website www.cwt-vulcan.com.